morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our presentation assembly for our year 3 and 4 children. It is Friday the 21st of October 2022 and we're finally here. Half term is up. What an amazing half term. How much hard work have these children done? It is phenomenal, and you'll see by not only the number of house points that have come as well as the certificates that these children have earned. It is amazing. So thank you all of you for working so hard throughout this half term. So really well deserved certificates coming your way. You won't see a great deal of me and you'll just see them. So we're going to start this morning with our year 3s. First, we're just going to look in years 3 and 4 at the top 3 house point earners in each of those classes. And the year 3s you can see from Mrs. Cook and Mrs. Robertson and Miss Marshall's class. Look at the number of house points these guys have been earning. They have worked so hard. As you can see, we've got Rebecca on 46, Alex on 49, and just in the lead is Tudor on 50. Amazing number of house points. It's phenomenal. So really well done. And then in Miss Marshall's, very similarly, we've got Orson 25, Beatrix 27, and Logan 28, just out on the lead as well. Well done. And obviously, if you multiply that by 5, you'll work out how many merits these guys have been earning. So really well done, you 6. Special shout out for you. Thank you, and keep it up over next half term as well. Year 4's top 3. Look at these guys again, very similarly. Miss White and Miss Barrett. So look at the number of house points these guys are earning. So you can see Daria 48, Rion 51, and Muntar 56. Wowee, what a huge number of house points. Really well done. And we've got Miss Barrett as well, and you've got Bo 52, Tyler 57, and Ramya 66. So really well done, guys. Keep it up and keep it up over the next half term. Who knows? Because at Christmas, you may be the same top 3. I know those others just below these as well who are itching to get in those top 3. So really well done. And keep earning all those merits. You superstars. Well done. We're going to kick off though in year 3 and our year 3 mathematicians. Look at these math stars. They have been working so hard at maths. Big smiles on their faces. They should be as well. So we've got Mimi, we've got Rayleigh, we've got Suleiman, and we've got Tudor working so hard in their maths. Keep it up, guys. So impressive in your math mastery lessons and just amazing at maths. So well done. Enjoy taking your math certificates home with you today. You superstars. On to our English stars, and these guys have been producing amazing writing for year 3s. Absolutely phenomenal. So we've got Lily, we've got Scarlett, we've got Emily, and we've got Mason working so hard in their English. So really well done, guys. Really impressive, and just keep it up over the next half term because it's lovely to see a beautiful writing. Well done. On to our reading stars. Now, not only with these guys take home a reading certificate, they know it by now, they're going to get a brand new reading book to take home as well over half term. So really well done. And these guys are reading at least twice a day. They're just phenomenal, non-stop. So we've got Tasnim, we've got Sapphire, we've got Olivia, and we've got Logan working so hard, guys. So thank you so much. Keep up that amazing work and enjoy your new reading book over half term. Please let me know how you think and what you think of it when you come back. Our scientists, look at these scientists, big smiles on their faces. So we've got Kobe, we've got Adama, we've got Anna Maria, and we've got Awesome. So really well done, guys. Amazing science going on as well in year 3. And I know these guys love science as well. And they're so inquisitive and asking lots and lots of questions. Really well done, guys. I'm really proud of you, so keep it up. Thank you. And our PE star, look at these physically active guys. Look at Ben jumping off when we were at the dinosaur park. He was running about non-stop there. It's a brilliant photo, full action, so really well done. So we've got Ben, we've got Marcy, and we've got Eliza, and we've got Freddie. Really well done, guys. Keep being physically active. I know Freddie is. He comes along to my football club as well as Ben, so they're really being physically active. Marcy and Eliza as well. Break times and lunch, you see they're just running about non-stop. So really well done. Thank you for being so physically active, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home today. You superstars. Well done. Oh, look at these history stars. We're loving our history topic at the moment as well. And being so inquisitive, these guys. You've got Alexandra, you've got Beatrix, you've got Sophie, you've got Lola May. Being so inquisitive and loving history. You see big smiles on their faces. So they should be. And they are absolutely loving history, as we all are actually, because it's a fantastic topic. So really well done, guys. And enjoy that. Enjoy taking your certificate home with you today. You superstars. Well done. On to our year 4s. Now look at our year 4 English stars. Wowee, we've got some smiles on these guys' face. And these guys have been doing some beautiful writing. So we've got Daria, we've got Paul, we've got Nala, and we've got Oliver doing, look at Oliver, that big smile. Just makes me smile. Great job indeed, and really well done to you guys. Enjoy taking your English star certificates home with you today. You superstars. Well done. Our reading stars, and as I've said before with our reading stars, not only do they get a certificate, they get a reading book to take home as well. And so Rion, Ruby, Esme and Muntar, let me know after half term what you thought of your brand new book, because I'm sure you'll read it, because you guys are reading at least twice a day as well. So really well done, and keep it up over half term. You superstars. Well done. Congratulations. Onto our math stars. Look at these mathematicians. We've got Michael, we've got Tyler, we've got Ramya, and we've got Cece working so hard in their maths mastery lesson. But these guys are brilliant, not only in their maths, their times tables as well, with times tables Rockstar as well. It is phenomenal. So really well done, guys. And keep it up as well. Over half time, keep practicing. Keep on that timetable Rockstars and see if you can get on that display, that fantastic year 4 display for timetable Rockstars. So really well done, guys. On to our scientists. Look at these scientists. We've got Jake, we've got Jacob, and we've got Sky and Rebecca being really scientific and actually being really inquisitive and asking lots of questions, but actually having an amazing science knowledge as well, guys. So really well done. Super proud of you. Hope you enjoyed taking your science certificate home with you today. You superstars. Great job. Well done. On to our history stars. Now, these guys have been working so hard on the Romans and the Celts in year 4s. I've been really inquisitive as well, but actually just loving the topic as well. They absolutely have loved the Romans and the Celts. It's been fantastic. And you got Mia May, we've got Jacob, we've got Leah Louise, and we've got Charlie. Again, working so hard at it, but actually loving it. Big smiles on their faces. So they've won themselves history certificates. So really well done, guys. Super proud of you. Just keep being so inquisitive and asking lots of questions and doing lots of research, because I know you've done that at home as well. So really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. You superstars. Well done. And we have our PE. Look at these physically active. Look at these children. Now, they are physically active, not only in their PE and games lessons, but at break and lunch times, doing lots of gymnastics and running about as well. So we've got Gabby, we've got Esma, we've got Lady, and we've got Perla being super active as well at all times. So really impressive. Thank you, Mr. Allen, because it is a joy to watch you guys at break and lunchtime running about, doing your gymnastics and just being super fit. So really well done. Keep it up. Enjoy taking your PE Star certificate home today. You superstar. Well done. Big smiles as well from Mr. Allen. Well done. I thought I'd also give a special shout out to our golden ticket winners this term. All those children have won golden tickets this term. I'm going to give them a special shout out and get their name up on the screen as well. So let's have a look at those amazing children. We've got Eliza, we've got Marcy, we've got Esme, we've got Sky, we've got Crystal, we've got Alex, we've got Lee, we've got Olivia, we've got Mantadas, we've got Tudor, Oliver, Esme, Lily, Emily, Muntaha, Dorcas, Beatrix, Dennis, Rion, Paul, Sophie, Ben, Daria, and Esma. All those children have earned themselves golden tickets as well for being just so amazing. So really well done. Special shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. I know you enjoyed your golden tickets and your treats to take home as well. So really well done. Keep that up over half term. And I'm sure we'll have a whole new list of names up for the Christmas presentation assembly as well. So see if you can get your name up on there as well. Well done, all of you. Just as I said at the beginning of assembly, weren't they amazing? What an amazing group of children. And all those golden ticket winners as well throughout this half term. It was phenomenal, so really well done. If it wasn't you, don't worry, just copy those children, because who knows, it could be you when we come to the Christmas presentation assembly, so look out for that. As you can see though, look, it is Friday, the 21st of October 2022. We break up today at 3:15, ready for our half-term holiday. So we've all got a week off coming up, so well done everyone, worked really hard, well-deserved rest coming up. But just a little reminder for parents, we are back on Monday, the 31st of October 2022. We're back on that Monday, gates open at 8:30, ready to start the second half of the autumn term. Everyone, please have a really safe and well-deserved rest over half term. And until Monday the 31st, we'll see you all then. Bye-bye now.